Good morning from the Lake Havasu City Airport. It is a fine morning. It's kind of 80s. It's going to be up to 100 today, so I'm hoping to get out for a quick little flight on the Remos. Also, I'm going to be trying out my cameras and my audio equipment. So today I actually combined a couple hobbies. I rode my BMW motorcycle to the airport to meet its cousin. And you may want to ask why it is its cousin. Is because, well, first of all, they are both made in Germany. And funny enough, they are both powered by road tax engines, so go figure. Okay, anyway, first things first, I got to get the battery tender off, put the cowl back on, do a pre-flight, and we'll roll around. Awesome.
Okay, so this is a test video this time around, see how it's going to work with our new equipment. So currently we're taxiing over to the run-up area for runway 32 on the 108 Golf X-ray. You don't see him coming? Havasu traffic, lights for 108 Golf X-ray, taken runway 32. We will be doing a westbound departure, Havasu.
And Havasu traffic number 85 Foxtrot, and now intercepting left downwind for runway 32, Havasu.
Okay, clear to my right. So we'll double check here. We have runway 32, that's the one we're looking for. And the heading indicator says 32. And here we go. Okay, airspeed's alive. Full RPMs have been achieved. Rotate speeds, we're rotating. And we have liftoff. We are actually going to be flying a little bit faster, 75. We want to keep our oil temperatures down a little bit. So. Okay, EMS instruments are still looking in the green. We are hitting the crosswind elevation, 1,500 feet right now, over the end of the runway. Havasu traffic, light for 10 Golf X-ray, turning left crosswind, runway 32. We will be exiting the area to the west. Havasu.
Havasu traffic number 85 Foxtrot, turning west base, runway 32, Havasu.
Okay, check for traffic. Okay, EMS is still looking good. We are above pattern altitude at this point in time. Our goal is we're going to fly over Chemway, the airport, and do some maneuvers out over there. Lake Havasu traffic, light for 10 Golf X-ray, currently at 3,500 west of the field. We'll be inbound to do a 45 into left downwind runway 32 Havasu.
Lake Havasu City Airport. Automated weather observation. 1611 Zulu. Wind 250 at 3 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 26 Celsius. Dew point 12 Celsius. Altimeter 2990 inches of mercury. Remark. Density altitude 2500.
Havasu traffic, lights for 108 Golf X-ray, about 5 miles west of the field at 2,800. descending to 1,800. We'll do a 45 until left downwind, runway 32, Havasu. Light for 10 Golf X-ray, entering the 45. I'm currently over the river at 2,200, descending to pattern elevation, Havasu. Havasu traffic, light for 10 Golf X-ray, turning left downwind, runway 32, Havasu.
Havasu traffic, helicopter Romeo Alpha on the go, taxi Alpha, straight out departure.
Havasu traffic, right for 10 Golf X-ray, turning left base, runway 32, Havasu. Havasu traffic, light for 10 Golf X-ray, turning final, runway 32, Havasu.
Havasu traffic, Malibu 0 Whiskey Mike is 6 miles to the northeast. We'll be over top of the field in 2.5 minutes, circling to the right to make left downwind 32, Havasu.
Havasu traffic, helicopter Romeo Alpha is on a right downwind 32. We are right downwind departure back towards Oslo.
Traffic 18518, approximately 402 miles east of the field. We're following behind Echo Romeo, uniform 62, Havasu.
Havasu traffic, light for 10 Golf X-ray, clear of the runway at Alpha 2, Havasu.
Havasu.
So good news, we had a nice flight, everything went well. 8 Golf X-rays back in her hangar, so now it's time to do a quick post-flight. Always good to basically take the top cowl off, check the oil, check everything is good. That way there are no surprises the next time around. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this little making of a video, the making of a video. We'll see. Bye-bye.